Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Old Guy Firewood. My name is Dick. And today, out in the wood yard, a little bit chilly, a little bit damp. Place has gotten kind of muddy. But today we're going to take a look at the Echo 58V battery operated chainsaw. Let me show you what it looks like. If you remember on one of my previous videos, I was on a long weekend vacation out in the mountains of North Carolina. We had a beautiful house we had rented, had a beautiful fireplace, but they only had enough wood there for one fire. There were some logs outside, about 4-foot logs, and but no way to cut them up. So I'd been thinking about getting a battery operated chainsaw. So went to a local Echo dealer there and picked up this 58V Echo brushless 16-inch bar, and it got us through the weekend. We cut a bunch of wood with it, split it up, and had some great fires. But let me go over some of the details on this saw. All right, this is an Echo 58V brushless battery operated chainsaw. It's got a 16-inch bar, which is nice. A lot of the battery operated saws are 12 or 14 inches, and this one comes with a 16. It's got a 58V battery that slides out, goes into the charger, charges in about an hour from 0 to full. It just slips in there. All you have to do is add oil here, and there's a little tool underneath here for adjusting the tension on the chain or taking the cover off. Over here on the side to get to the chain tensioner adjustments right here. It has a regular brake, just like a regular saw. Won't run with that. You have to take it off, and then it'll run. But what I want to do today is go ahead and I've set some logs up over here. You can take a look. And these are pretty good sized logs. These are not really what I would typically cut with this saw. My plan was to keep this saw in the truck and just have it when I'm out doing some landscaping work and need to cut something, I have it. But what I want to do today is go ahead and try to cut some of these 10-inch logs, 8-10-inch logs, and see just how many cuts I can get out of this battery. I really don't expect to be able to cut all 4 of these logs up. As I say, that's not what this saw is designed for. It's more of a pruning saw and something to have in the truck. Don't have to have gas and oil, worry about that. But I figured I'd go ahead and cut this. I've got a couple pieces of oak, a little hickory and maple, and we'll just see what it can do and see how many cuts we can get out of this battery. So here we go. made pretty quick work of that piece of red oak. Got a piece of white oak here, a little bit bigger. Doesn't seem to be slowing down yet. We'll see what it can do. Well, that might be it. Yeah, that's it. Like I figured, those big rounds just a little bit too much for it. I think if we were cutting 4 or 5, 6 inch pieces, it would have done a whole lot more. But let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rounds out of it, and that's about what I expected. But anyway, pretty handy little saw. Well, I think what I'll do now is go ahead and put this battery on, and we'll do a test, see how long it takes to charge up from 0 to full. Okay, the saw's charged back up. Check the battery here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Four bars, fully charged. It took exactly 55 minutes to charge that up. So what I've done, come down here in the wood yard, and I've got an old hickory top out of a tree that I cut down about a year ago, and I think this is probably more what this saw is suited for. So I'm going to go ahead and cut on this and see how it does. And this is more of the kind of work that I'd be doing with in my landscaping business, where it'd be nice to have this in the truck, but taking down small trees like this and cutting the branches up. And this hickory is some hard wood, especially when it's dry like this. did a great job on that. And we've still got 2 bars left on the battery, so about half charge. Hey, Clifford, where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go on, go get it. Well, I'll give you my final thoughts on this Echo battery-operated saw. It's I'm impressed with it, and it certainly will do what I want it to do. It's not made for the big wood. We only got 10 cuts out of that 10, 11-inch hardwood. It works great on the smaller limbs. I cut up that old hickory, and that was dry and hard, and did a great job on it. I'm really impressed with the torque that this saw has. Cuts real good. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on it, and I like the 16-inch bar. But overall, I'm really glad I got it. It has its place in my arsenal of chainsaws. Definitely convenient to be able to keep it in the truck and not have to worry about having gas and oil all the time. But hey, Clifford, that's not your ball. Go get your ball. Go on, go get it. At any rate, I think that'll do it for today's video. But if you like this sort of thing, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Be sure and click the little bell icon so that you'll be notified when I'm doing future videos. And please leave a comment below. I really appreciate all your comments. I answer every one. I read every one. And it's important to me that you go ahead and let me know what you think about the videos, what you think about the topic that we're discussing in that particular video. And give me some ideas of anything you'd like to see in the future. But for now, as an old guy, as I always say, best advice I can give you is to keep moving, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.